Good morning to all, my dear students. Now we are just going to subject or chapter. Subject is your physics second year. Your first chapter is your electrostatics. First chapter is your electrostatics. First we know what do you mean by electrostatics. There is two words. One is your electro, second one is your statics. One is your electro, second one is your statics. First we know what do you mean by electros. So electro should be come from the word is charge. Electro should be come from the word charge. Second one is your statics. Statics means rest. Electro means charge, statics means rest. That means electrostatic means when charge is at rest. That means when charge is at rest, that is known as electrostatics. That means when a body is at rest or motion, this will be depend upon force. You should remember, you should know. ताले बॉडी जेताले मोशन को आसे बा रेस्ट को आसे कहा ऊपर डिपेंड करे, इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन द फोर्स. तो in case of body is rest, in case of body is rest, it will be depend upon force. If a body is motion, this is also depend upon force. That means when a charge is rest, this is known as electrostatic. When charge is in motion, when charge is in motion, it will be known as current electricity. Current electricity. Now our aim or now we study. एबे हमें कौन पढ़िबा? First is your what is charge. First we study what is charge, which is including in electrostatics. Second one is your field, means electric fields. Third one is your potential. Fourth one is your capacitance. So first we study what is charge, second we study in this chapter what is field, about fields, next we study about potential, last one is your capacitance. Before we going to charge, first charge ba purvur janiba charge kon. So first we know when we going to charge, first we know what is charge. Second one, types of charge. Third one, causes of charge. Fourth one, how body became charged. So these are the chapter, these are the points we are relating with your subject is electrostatics. So first we know what is charge. We are the student in school time, we know what we are doing. आमे छोट बेले सब कौन करिचे, छोट छोट पेपर को सब टुकड़ा टुकड़ा करिथिबा, मुंडरे गोटे पेन को नै घसुथबा. After that what will happens? The pen will be attracted the paper. At that time we are don't know what is this. We are just thinking the pen is attracted by the paper, is attracted by the paper pens. But now this is very important for us. This is known as charge. So what do you mean by charge? When a force is exerted upon a body, when a force is exerted upon a body, when a force is exerted upon a body, this is known as charge. This is one definition of the charge. That means when we are rubbing the sticks or rubbing the pen or rubbing the scales in our heads, after that we are putting, when we are just touching the papers, at that time the paper will be attracted by it. So this is called charge. This means there is a force of attraction will be created between the two body. This is called charge. Next definition of charge. When we are going to what is charge, we are just going to next definition. First definition, this is the definition of charge. Second definition, this charge, how the charge occurs? This is occurred due to the electrons. very important. We know or we just know these terms. Already हमें विषय जानी terms सुनी. Every body should be consist of atoms or molecules. When atom molecules are breakdowns and it will be converted to electron, proton and neutrons. Every substance can be made up by these things. So in this case, electron is negative, so we know that proton is positive and neutron is neutral charge. Yes or no? All of you learn in class 10 or class 8 or class 9. Now we know so how a body is charged or what is charge. This means in case of a body, the amount of electrons should be increases or electron amount should be decreases. At that time, body can be charged. So how electron amount increases, how electron decreases? This is due to sharing of electrons. ता माने जणे जण को देई दबो ता द्वारा जणे जे रिसीव करि नबो इलेक्ट्रॉन सेते बेले से नेगेटिव चार्ज हे दिबो जे इलेक्ट्रॉन छाडी दबो सेते पॉजिटिव चार्ज हे दिबो. That means what do you mean by charge? The deficiency of electron or excess amount of electron in a matter is known as charge. Any doubts? No doubts. Have any doubts? तामने गुटे बॉडी रे तळे इलेक्ट्रॉन अमाउंट ता बढ़ी जाउची, प्रोटॉन अमाउंट ता कमी जाउची बा प्रोटॉन अमाउंट ता बढ़ी जाउची, इलेक्ट्रॉन अमाउंट ता कमी जाउची बा वाइस वर्सा वे रे होउची. At that time the body is charged, but this is called charge. No doubts. Next case we are going to types of charge. We are going to types of charge. How many charge are there? You have learned in class 8, class 9, class 10. Charge are mainly two types. How many types? Two types. First one is your, you should remember, first one is your positive charge, second one is your negative charge. First one is your positive charge, second one is your negative charge. This means you just imagine positive charge means more amount of proton, less amount of electrons. Have any doubts? No. This means जेते बेले गुटे बॉडी रे प्रोटॉन अमाउंट ता बढ़ी जीवो इलेक्ट्रॉन अमाउंट ता कमी जीवो एट दैट टाइम से बॉडी को मु कोन कहिबी पॉजिटिव चार्ज कहिबी. तो हाउ इट विल बी अकर वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग later on. Next we go to negative charge. What do you mean by negative charge? When more amount of electrons, less amount of proton, less amount of protons. Have you any doubts? ना पॉजिटिव चार्ज ताले का कहबी जदि प्रोटॉन बढ़ी गला इलेक्ट्रॉन कमी गला ताले ता कहबी पॉजिटिव चार्ज, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ी गला प्रोटॉन कमी गला ताले ता कहबी नेगेटिव चार्ज. ताले हुए कोन पय हाउ इट विल बी अकर व्हाई इट विल बी अकर्स. Let imagine you just imagine we are just taking a normal body. You are just taking a, let imagine this is a body A and this is a body B. These are, let imagine, a normal body. Means that means here positive amount of electrons should be equal to negative amount of electrons. But positive amount of charge should be equal to negative amount of charge. That means you should remember protons should be equal to electrons. Let imagine here 50 protons are there and 50 electrons are there. In second case B, here 70 proton are there, 70 electron are there. That means what you understand here? That means two body are in normal conditions. Yes or no? That means first case by A body रे कोन होची 50 टा प्रोटॉन अछि 50 टा भी इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि ता माने बॉडी को कंडीशन रहला रे. That means body is normal condition. But in case of second case 70 proton and 70 electron. This means the body is in also normal condition. When we are putting two body closer to each other, जेतेबे दीटा बॉडी को मु कोन करबी पाखो नै जीबी आफ्टर रबिंग कर देबी. रबिंग माने कोन घसी देबी. कोन हबो कहलु आइदर always you should remember when rubbing will be occur by anything will be occur there is no change in proton because there is force of attraction between the nucleus is more and more. That's why proton cannot be transferred from a body. So which can be transferred here? The electron can be transferred body A to B or B to A. This is